Today, I heard of this dazzling place called a co-op. Co-op. Definition: a cooperative enterprise, and in my case, a communal gathering in which members come together to create a shared meal. Good, natural food made by my peers, not commons. What could be better? I mean, you've heard me complain about commons before, and the food isn't inedible, but honestly, I'm kind of a food snob. I mean, it goes both ways. My mom raised me as a foodie, but my dad could care less.
Are you hiding something?
No!
Then why are you talking about this? Everybody knows what a co-op is.
I didn't.
Why didn't you come home last night?
Hey guys, what's up?
You know. Hey, Jen.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Tell you what.
Are you really reading this?
Yes, on and off.
You're reading 50 Shades of Grey on and off?
Yeah, I'm busy and I don't read as much as you do.
Well, this is trash. You should just quit while you're ahead.
And read what? Tolstoy? Hemingway?
Yeah.
Why do I always feel mentally inferior when you walk in the room, Ayana?
Julia! Tell me what happened last night between you and Sam.
Oh.
Ouch.
This is college.
Is this Sam, like Sam?
What other Sam would we be talking about?
I've met like 4 here so far.
Yes, it's Sam.
Oh. I think I'm gonna go to the library.
Talk later.
Okay.
Well,
Wait, since when have you even been talking to Sam?
Actually, he started talking to me first, the day we got back from break.
Does he know he made a surprise guest appearance in your videos?
Well, Jen had to explain what he'd woken up to.
That must have been awkward.
can you guys stop avoiding the issue at hand?
Clarice, this is important.
More important than what happened last night?
Well, I didn't even know that they knew each other.
We don't, really. I mean, we hung out a bit last week, but I don't know. You know, and actually, it wasn't that weird talking about the videos, because he seemed genuinely interested.
Really?
It's not like they're bad, Ayana.
Well,
Thanks, Clarice. It's only because you're in them.
Don't mention it.
well, it was brave of you to talk about it.
Thanks. I appreciate that, because when he mentioned them, I thought I was going to die of embarrassment, and the fact that he was even talking to me.
So, what do you guys talk about?
Well, he's really into psychology, too, so we were talking about Zimbardo and the prison experiment.
The what?
So did you guys make out?
Clarice.
Clarice.
This is boring. Get to the good stuff.
Sorry, Clarice, but some of us tried to get to know boys before.
Wait, have you been interested in any boys this year?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
You do?
Yeah, I thought you guys knew.
You never told us.
Well, I guess it never came up.
So what's his name?
Is he in school right now?
Yes. His name is Cole, and he goes to Northwestern.
Ooh, smart.
You must have a really good relationship if you're still together.
We do. But we were talking about you and Sam.
Oh yeah, what happened?
Well, Friday night I went to go watch a movie in his dorm.
What movie?
Wayne's World.
Nice.
I've never seen it.
You haven't seen it?
Anyway, turns out he's a really great artist. His walls were covered with his work.
Show off.
Does he paint?
No, mostly charcoal and black and white photography.
Does he have an issue with color?
It's just what he prefers. He's actually thinking about transferring to an art school next semester.
He is?
I mean, he came here to study bio and art on the side, but he's discovered that he's just in love with art more than anything else.
Aw, you found yourself a little Van Gogh.
I hope not. Van Gogh was crazy.
But
D-
talented.
Well, does he know for sure if he's going to transfer?
No, he's just considering it.
So did you guys make out?
Not on Friday. We cuddled, and then you texted me just when we were getting close, wanting to go to Music House with you.
Clarice.
You wanted to see them too.
Not at that moment.
I can't go in there alone. That place is terrifying.
It's a house.
Why is it so hard for us to stay on topic? The issue at hand.
All right, so last night we met up, smoked a bit in his room, then found you guys at Anther House.
Lame party. And by lame, I mean terrible, because it was just like us and 5 other people awkwardly standing around trying not to look awkward.
Yeah, that's why we left.
I didn't leave.
What'd you do?
One of his friends lives there, so we hung out and played King Scout for a while.
Love that game.
Yeah, well, it sure does the job. I drank way too much.
As much as that night that you hooked up with Jake?
More. But I didn't get as drunk because I spread it out a little more. So I did get drunk enough to hook up with Sam.
What?
I knew it.
I didn't know you knew each other that well.
We don't, but it didn't matter at the time.
When you say hooked up...
We made out, and then I slept over.
Nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. I've liked him for so long.
So are you guys like a thing now?
I have no idea.
You have to text him. Don't let it be a one-night stand.
I get the feeling it won't be.
I don't think you should rush into this.
Well, it's worked out fine so far.
Well, remember the last time you rushed into something with Jake? And that worked out so well.
That was different.
The difference being that Jake was your close friend. Speaking of which, how are you guys?
We're okay. I mean, it's inevitably going to be awkward between us, but I'm sure it'll pass.
Well, you're never gonna be as close as you were before.
How do you know?
Why are you such a downer, Iona?
I just have a bad feeling about this.
Well, don't. I'm really happy about it.
I don't even know the guy.
Well, would you like to? He just texted asking me if I wanted to go to brunch.
Yeah, let's grill him. Find out if he's good enough for you.
Please don't.
We'll give him a chance.
Thank you.
I'm just looking out for you.
I know, and I appreciate it.
I want you to be happy too.
Let's go. Wait, go without me. I have to finish the video. I'll meet you outside.
Okay.
Come out soon. Hey.
Well, that's all for today. The song, this will work. I had a really great weekend. I'm really happy about this. Sam is amazing. But I'll tell you more about it next week. We'll see what happens. Goodbye, everyone.
Well, maybe I could see another kind of mind there. Ooh, and I suddenly see you. Ooh.